Are you struggling to choose between a tempered glass screen protector or a film screen protector? Today we're going to be installing them on our Pixel 8 Pro to see which one is best. So some of the advantages of a film screen protector are that, one, it's cheaper. So for instance, we got 2 in this pack. So if they lift or get dirt underneath, it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to replace them. Film screen protectors also tend to be a lot thinner than glass screen protectors. Glass screen protectors have come a long way over the years, but they still can't compete with film when it comes to thickness. Film screen protectors feel like there's absolutely nothing on the phone, and especially at the edges, there's no sharp corners or anything. Now, it's not all good though. Film screen protectors are a lot harder to install. In fact, during this video, I actually installed 2 film screen protectors because I wasn't quite happy with the first one. This means you tend to get sort of micro bubbles underneath because obviously the material is flexible compared to glass. As you can see on this film screen protector that has been installed for a few months now, you can see it started to lift and get scratches from keys and things. Now, it's better than being on the screen itself. However, it does tend to look a bit tatty and you have to replace it more often. In my experiences with film screen protectors, they tend to be a little less protective. While they're great at protecting your screen from scratches and things, I don't think they're very good at handling drops. This is because the plastic film is just plastic and will bend quite easily and probably shatter the glass underneath. This is less of a concern if you use a protective case. However, if you're someone that runs your phone naked, then you may want to get a glass screen protector instead. So the first thing you'll notice with a glass screen protector is that it's just that slightest bit thicker. Now, it's not a big problem. However, you definitely notice it at the sides of the phone, especially when you have no case on. It just feels a little bit sharper, but in my experience, it doesn't really bother me in day-to-day use. When I installed this, it probably took me less than 2 minutes. It's so easy to install a glass screen protector because it's just one flat surface being put down. So if you just take your time with it and make sure there's no dust on the screen, you'll have a perfect installation most of the time. Another thing I like about this glass screen protector is there's no camera cutout. This means the camera is also protected against dirt and scratches. Now, that being said, glass screen protectors are just that bit more expensive. And as you've probably seen, they can crack. You'll never have that issue with a film screen protector, so it's just something to bear in mind. Now, for this in particular screen protector from Elixar, there is no cutout for the fingerprint reader. And in my experience, I've noticed no slowdown. I think for the Pixel 8 Pro, the glass screen protector is definitely going to be the way to go. This isn't always going to be the case depending on your phone. However, with the Pixel 8 Pro, we definitely recommend the glass. If you'd like this screen protector, check out the links in the description below. And if you want to see more videos, remember to give us a like and subscribe.